Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good morning. Today is Friday, 23rd, 2012, and it's 1 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. This is a review for the euro dollar. What you see on the screen is the daily chart of the EuroFX continuous contract aligned to the December expiration. You will remember that last week we identified this support level in 126.65, and this support level is coming from consideration we made on the weekly time frame. I suggest you to watch the weekly review I've sent to you to my newsletter subscribers, and you will understand why we traced this support level here. So the support level was confirmed last week when price violated on the upside the 128.05 area, 128 area, and this confirmed the end of this move sequence of moves lower, and price started moving higher, and on Wednesday we had this throwback, and price traded all the way halfway back in 127.50, and that was a very good entry point, and actually so you can see 127.50, and this setup, which is very important, had the first target in 128.70, and that was it yesterday, and we are still way off this 129.40, which would be the second level of target. We are also challenging the two level of support. The first one is the level I have showed to you yesterday, and that's the 129 area. And as you can see, we had a first reaction lower in the 129 area, and as you can see from the bar. We actually had this move lower, and price corrected even lower than that. After that, we had the continuation higher, so we cannot exclude the price is going to hit the second target in 129.40 here. There is also another level of resistance that we have to take into consideration that is very close to the one that you just showed, and that's the 129.20. So at the moment we have price fighting against these two levels. These two levels are there between the level of resistance between 129 and 129.20 are there. But as I said, we had this participation here, which is from a larger time frame. So this eventually that level of resistance should give the way. So at the moment we still have two scenarios open. The first scenario is that we get to 129.40. And the second scenario is that we actually get a larger retracement, and this retracement could be we have two options. We could actually trade into the 128.20 area, or we could actually get a larger retracement here. So if it was from here, we should see at least 127.90 area, but price could just continue high. So I suggest you watch the trading plans I've sent to my newsletter subscriber yesterday. That was the midweek update, and I have the scenarios for both the euro, dollar, and the SP 500 index. I want to quickly show you what is happening on the 240 chart here, and actually we had this setup in the 127.50 area. It hit the 28.70, and as I said, we had this 29.30, 29.40 still open here. On the 4 hour, we also traded an extension yesterday, and that's very clear on this chart. Price held the 128.70 area, and we hit today first starting in 129.20. Now this second setup is actually helping price into the 129.40 area, so we could still see a continuation. Where the failure would come, below 128.58. In this case, we could see a retracement, as we said, in 128.20 or 127.90. If we want to be a little bit more aggressive, we could also define another level of failure here, which is actually the next extensions, which is basically 29.85. So below 28.65. Sorry, below that level we could actually expect a correction, but to be on the safe side, I would use actually the 128.58. I hope this update is useful and interesting to you. This is a review on the euro dollar. If you want to subscribe my newsletter, go to the website and subscribe on the left side. The subscription is free, and you get a lot of information, including these videos, the weekly reviews on SP500 and the euro dollar. You also get the midweek update. You get the Fib Stalker view on currencies, in which I analyze the dollar index plus 4 currency pairs, and you get interesting articles on pattern trading and high frequency trading, from which I derive my trading edge. So I thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good day and very good weekend. On Sunday I'm sending out my newsletter, so just subscribe for it, and thank you for your attention, and thank you. Bye bye.